Good morning. Like a silent movie. You can just see, just got my eye mask on. Just taking my collagen. Happy Sunday, everybody. Hope you are going to have a wonderful day. Don't forget to do a bit of self-care. And I also want to wish my son a happy 17th birthday today. Wow, 17. Can't believe he's 17. So, yeah, go and have a wonderful Sunday. And the sun is shining at the moment, so that's nice. It's all bonus when it's a bit brighter as well. So yeah, so if you want to know about the eye mask or the collagen guys or any of the skincare that you see me do, just drop me a message or comment on here, and I'll give you all the deets. So go and enjoy your Sunday, and I'll see you soon. Take care.